Hello, in the following project we're going to describe the steps you have to follow in order to acquire a boiler. This is the first project of Thermodynamics, hope you like it. Now we're going to describe the steps you have to follow in order to get a boiler. The first thing you have to do is to see what type of energy you're using, whether it's natural gas or gas LP. The next thing you have to do is see your showering habits. It's important to take the times and average them to get the total time. Next, you have to see whether you have a regular shower or a more advanced shower. The regular one uses about 7 liters or more, and the advanced one uses less than 7 liters. Then you have to take the time from the boiler to the shower. The next thing is to see if the shower has dust. Then see what type of services you have, the number of showers, dishwashers or washing machines. And the last thing you have to do is to see what type of boiler you have to choose, whether it's a deposit or the one that is called the paso.
Now we will give an example of how to choose a boiler. The first, we take a home with one shower and one washing machine. The most frequent energy used in Mexico is the gas LP. The second step is we have an average time taking a shower of 7.12 minutes. In the third step, we have a regular shower with a spend of more than 7 liters per minute. And the next step, we see the distance between the boiler and shower, and we take a distance of 4.5 meters. The boiler has a little bit of dust, and the extra service is the washing machine.
The difference between a condensing boiler and a deposit boiler is the condensing boiler, it's more faster, but it cannot provide a much liters for a person. And the person, if there live a 3 person, you can wash with hot water. And the deposit boiler is more slower, but the capacity is much better because it can provide 100 liters per minute, so the 3 person can take a shower with hot water and no need to wait more time. The reference home we took lived 3 students. First, we took how many liters per minute to take a shower. Then we take an average time. It took more or less 3 liters for 1 person. So we need 100 liters for the 3 person in the morning. So we decide that a deposit boiler is the best choice because the boiler can heat 20 to 100 liters per minute. So this way the 3 students can take a shower with hot water.
As a conclusion, we determined that the boiler we need must be capable of warming from 20 to 100 liters per minute to cover 3 people taking showers one after another. We discovered that it is important to consider the amount of water that comes out per minute from the faucet and the initial temperature of the water, because that will determine the amount of energy needed. With this project now, we know how to evaluate a facility to choose the correct boiler.